हेलो एंड वेलकम टू आवर लेक्चर नंबर थर्ड ऑफ आवर स्क्रैच प्रोग्रामिंग। आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे टाइप ऑफ ब्लॉक्स इन स्क्रैच। बेसिकली स्क्रैच प्रोग्राम आर यूज टू create with the help of blocks. There are various type of block, that is motion block, looks block, sound, uh, events, etc. So let's get discuss one by one each of these blocks. So first we have motion block. Motion block are used to move the sprites on the stage. Basically, if we click any of the motion block, our sprite is going to react on them. If we click on the move 10 step, the sprite will move 10 step. If we click on turn 15 degree, it will turn 15-degree clockwise. If we turn and want to do it anti-clockwise, then we click here. If you want our sprite go to any random position, then we click here. So basically, motion block are used to move the sprite on the stage, or we can control the direction, position and rotation. Now the looks block. Looks block are used to change the appearance of sprite. We can control the speech, size, visibility and costumes. Um, Switch costume 1. If we click switch costume 1, sorry, if we change costume 2, if we click on these block, then our sprite appearance get changed. Now the third, sound blocks. Sound block are used to add the sound effect and music, or control volume and playback. Basically, sound block are used to add the sound to the sprite. For example, play sound. See, our sprite will pronounce the sound. Now the event block. Event block. Uh, let's discuss a small example. When a when a red flag clicked, go to random position. So when we click on the green flag, our sprite will go on a random position. So we can easily see the event, the what event do. Actually, event used to start the script when an event occur, or whenever any event trigger. So uh, now we have various events such as when green flag clicked, when space key pressed, etc. Now the control are used to control the flow of program. um, just it is just like the loops conditions, or if we want to create anything n number of time. For example, if we click, if we use forever, and then we click the green flag, then our sprite will end in a go in a infinite loop, that is infinite forever loop, and it will change its position and number of time. Now the sensing block. Sensing block means whenever our sprite get touched, or whenever it feels something, that is uh, it is used for basically interaction or detection. It helps sprite sense keyboard, mouse or any other sprite. For example, now our sprite asks what is your name. We can tell him our name, that is Rudra. So these are the sensing. help to help sprite to sense its environment. Basically, touching of keyboard or using mouse or anything. Now we will discuss more things, that is operators block. Operator block, we have various operator: plus, minus, multiplication, division. These are used to perform mathematical and logical operation, help in calculation and comparison. We can use this block to do our to move our sprite. Now the variable, we can make our own variable to store any value. Suppose we can make a variable that is score. Okay, here we get the score. These are basically variable.